Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So iPhone 12 series is here, but the custom Caviar unrevealed custom iPhone 12 Pro and the 12 Pro Max inspired by Innocent Warrior. Caviar is back with the new series of customization iPhone 12 phones. The theme this time is Warrior. These are based on the iPhone 12 and the 12 Pro Max and are currently on pre-order. There are no shipping detail listed, but we imagine that you will have to wait a bit longer for the Pro Max model than the regular Pro, as Apple staggered the release this year. The chevron design on the back is meant to represent a sword plunging into the armor of the enemy. There are four versions ranging from noble warriors to Roman emperor, from $5,490 to $46,000. The knight model is called a titanium and feature a geometric pattern reminiscent of a chainmail. The Viking one uses a titanium again but combines it with the red marble and wolfhide. Samurai feature titanium and red marble but with the texture carbon decoration. All three start at $5,490. The Assassin is slightly more expensive. It's based on the titanium and carbon again, but with the black marble this time and a drop of blood on the tip of the sword, made out of a red jewelry animal. These four will have a relatively limited production run of 99 units. The Zulfiqar model is based on the legendary sword of the same name. It's colored in 18 karat gold titanium with a Damascus steel pattern and green marble insert. Two red rubies, total weight 0.8 carat, symbolize two drops of blood. This one starts $29,690 and Caviar will make only 19 units. There will be only 7 imported phone of the 7 hells of Rome. This version is the styled after Emperor Constantine and feature black marble with a white veins, a material often used in Roman palaces. Red leather and satin gold recall the luxury of the era, but an even more direct connection is the piece of ancient pilum at the tip of type javelin used by the Roman army. So this is the Caviar most expensive smartphone. These smartphones starting from a $5,000 to goes up to $47,690. The bigger iPhone 12 Pro Max 512 gigabytes. All model from start from $4,600 all the way goes up to $47,000 and $690. As you can see, this is the official website of the Caviar. You can check it out. Other design and these are information of the smartphone. And like this video, subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out and bye.